So the 3D printer is currently dead. Previously, I mentioned that I'm using Klipper to bridge these two control boards, MakerBase Nano and a Big Tree Tech SKR Mini E3V3. They both worked in different fashions. This one's motor controller worked. This one's hot end controller worked. So I was using them in that fashion. Well, after a day of printing a bunch of test prints and going to bed, turning off the power, everything's fine. The Big Tree Tech just died. So I rigged up the Pi as a chip programmer, debugger. I got on there and had connected these SWD ports and talked to the chip. I couldn't program it on the USB. It was non-responsive. It'll take power that way. I couldn't program it on the UART pins. I tried using some of these pins over here. How this board got fried, I had plugged the TFT, the UART pins, and I had accidentally plugged one of these ground pins into a power pin, and I just kind of shorted the circuits from that channel. And so I got into the debugger chip, and at a system level, it just won't take the program. I can convince it to and tell it to, and it'll be like, okay, but it's got some bad memory address in there, probably because internally, inside of this chip, it's fried in there. Doesn't look like it on the outside, but on the inside. So upgrading this printer is gonna be on hold until then. I do have a Ender 3 over here that I need to put back together. Stock, have all the stock parts for it. I had it upgraded to a BL Touch Pro. So now I'm just gonna make it stock and go from there.